Dr. SMS Knowledge of Education. So in this video we are going to see about the assessment for learning paper item analysis. Previous video we have seen what is the main objective of the item analysis. So the main objective of the item analysis is we are checking the question. Each question will be analyzed. Okay, each question. The main two objective is to find out the difficulty level as well as the discriminative level. Difficulty level as well as the discriminative level. Okay, so what we are going to do is we are dividing the group, that is we are dividing the strength of the children into the 1 by 3 and the upper group will be the genius, the middle group will be the average, the last group will be the slow learners. Okay, so we are consider only the two groups, upper group as well as the lower group. So we are suppose 60 students in the class. So you have 1 by 3 is 20, 20, 20. So we are taking the consideration for is 40. Consideration only for 40. And each question, the correct response only we are going to consider. Suppose you are taken the 10 question or 50 questions. So you make a tabular column. How many of you have written the first question correct response? How many of you have written the wrong answer? And how many of you omitted that question also? That is also very, very important. So the first level is to calculate the difficulty level. The first level we are going to calculate the difficulty level. The formula is R by N into 100. R by N into 100. R is equal to RU plus RL. RU plus RL is nothing but the upper group of the children who have written the correct response and the lower group of the children who have written the correct response. Okay, you all understand? So that R is equal to RU plus RL divided by N. N. Suppose I told you that 60 members in the class. So when you have a 1 by 3, so 20, 20, 20. So you are considering only these two groups. So the N is equal to 40. Example, N is equal to 40 into 100. So you are getting a certain percentage also. If your percentage is very less, the question is very difficulty level. If the question is between 50 to 60%, you take it as an average level. So in this way, the first question is analyzed whether the question is difficulty level. Next one is we are going to see about that whether the question is a discriminative level. Whether the question is a discriminative level. The same procedure will be considered here also. The formula will be little bit different. The formula will be little bit different. Here discriminative level is equal to RU minus RL divided by N by 2 into 100. Here the R is equal to RU plus RL. Here the R is equal to RU minus RL. That is the correct response of the upper group minus correct response of the lower group. So N by 2, suppose I have told you that the group 40. So 40 by 2 into 100. So if you are getting the percentage is very low, the discriminative level will be more. Okay. So in this way, each question will be analyzed. So for that, you have to write the marks of the students from the highest level to the lowest level. Highest level to the lowest level. And also one more thing also you have to do is draw a tabular column, serial number, then question number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that. Then you have to check whether the first question how many of you have written correctly. The same way you will do in your test and measurement record the interpretation of the scoring. So it is also one of the way it is also useful for your test and measurement record. But the previous video itself I told you that this item analysis is mainly used for the research people. So the people only have to take the question. So randomly they are taking the questions 200, 300. So they need only 200. also very good.